bucket. Oh, man. Let's go see if we can find some. I saw them out here when I was out here.
And you got no shoes on.
I know, that's why I said
Okay, look right there, baby.
Look it. Oh, man. Put it in your bucket.
What about over here?
Look it over there. Oh, man.
Oh, man.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's continue to look. I'm going to put you down. I'll be right back.
Okay,
take your
Daddy.
shoes on real quick. I gotta get my shoes real quick.
She's telling you to get your shoes.
I'm going.
Alright, Stella, look it. Look for eggs. You see any more eggs? Stella. Oh my gosh. You see more? You do! Keep looking.
Oh man.
You see any more? Where's more? How about over here? Anything over here?
That's the one that your Remy got.
Really?
Hey, you missed a couple over here. I saw up there. Come here. I saw a few over here when I was chasing Remy and shot that egg. Yeah, huh? What about in here? You see anything in here? See anything over there? Oh man!
Don't point out too much. Let her find them. Good job.
Golly. What about over here? Let's come on. Let's walk this way.
Keep looking.
Let's look this way.
It's alright. It's alright.
Alright. Nothing? Let's go back this way and take a peek.
Come by mommy. You see anything in here?
Keep looking in the bushes. Keep looking in the bushes. Oh!
Oh!
Okay,
good
let's
job.
go this way now. Let's
Yeah.
head on out of this wet grass. It's raining.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go this way.
Good thing the Easter Bunny got it out after the rain.
Yeah, no. Oh man. See any? See any?
Behind you.
Oh! What about any around in here? Oh! What about let's work our way this way?
Oh, mommy
Keep going.
sees one. You see one?
What about the other pot?
Right here, Stella. Look.
What about in the other pot? No? Is there anything in that pot?
She's so funny.
Let's walk over here. Look over there.
Okay, keep looking. Keep your eyes open.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's
Oh.
go this way.
See if she sees anything.
I think it's the last one.
Is it?
Yeah. See anything?
Look up. You see anything? Look around. Turn around.
Keep looking. Search over here. Can you reach it?
Try to reach it, Steph.
Get it? I think you can get it.
Oh man, that Easter Bunny.
He's a little taller than he
Good
thought.
job.
See you later.
Is Remy finding some too?
I can't remember.
I think she's finding the brown Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Did I get her out of there?
Call her, Steph. Call her. Remy. You don't have to go over there. Yell at her.
Tell her stay out of there. Get. Let me see.
Show
Let me
Daddy.
see how many you got. Let me see them. Oh man. Oh my gosh.
Show Remy.
Oh man. not going back inside now.
Yeah, she will. Should we go open them up? Oh my God.
There's
Oh,
candy.
Daddy.
That stinking Easter bunny. Just put it in your bucket before Remy eats it.
Yeah.
Remy. We gotta eat breakfast first.
Okay, let's go inside and open them, okay?
Come on, let's go.
You want to go open them? Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye to Mommy? Look at Mommy. Scylla. Wave bye-bye.